everyone. My name is Teresa Stratus, and I'm going to be doing my presentation on codable Legos and how it is an emerging technology in the STEM field. We're going to go over a quick Lego history. 60 years of Legos. In the 1950s, Lego plastic bricks were invented. In the 1960s, Lego invented the Lego wheel, 10 different Lego characters, first Lego build set with instructions, and Diplo bricks. In the late 70s, Lego introduced more challenging build sets with more parts and geared to older kids. In the 1980s, Legos established that they were more than toys and introduced Lego education. They initiated a partnership with MIT. In the late 90s, Lego and MIT Media Lab launched Lego Mindstorm, the first programmable Lego robot. From 2000 to 2010, Lego continued to thrive and created new products and toys. In 2017, Lego launched Lego Boost and merging digital programming and physical building together. The big concept is Legos were a part of the STEAM community before STEAM even existed. So Lego education is where the emerging technology comes in. There's 3 different levels to it. Level 1 is early learning, pre-K to kindergarten. It starts with chunky Duplo Lego blocks and they encourage play. The early learning sets come in different varieties from scenes to the alphabet. So here we have one of the scenes, which is a community scene, and the children learn about different types of communities, and they build each piece, and there's lessons that go with all of these. There is the emotions lessons, and there's cards that go with them and that help them build them, and then this is the theme park. The second level is primary, which is 1st through 5th grade. There are 3 different sections: early simple machines, and We Do 2.0. During this level, the students are using smaller Lego bricks and parts to make their builds. Then they later get into coding. So early simple machines up here in this corner allow for the students to build simple wheel machines, pulley systems, and then simple machines allow them to add the characters and give them situations where they have to build certain machines that solve a problem. And the We Duo 2.0 is where the technology starts coming in and the coding, and as you can see down here, it's a block coding, and the We Do has a little motor inside of it. Level 3 is secondary, 6th through 12th grade. There are 3 different programs: Lego Education Prime, which is their newest program, Lego Education Mindstorm EV3. This program has been developed over a number of different years, and Simple Powered Machines. All 3 programs require coding, but at a different level. Lego Spike Education Prime is the newest one. I believe they have 2 different sets of programming, which is script coding and block coding for this particular robot. Mindstorm Education EV3 definitely has script coding. It's one of the more complicated robots that high schoolers can use to do robotic competitions. And then the Simple Powered Machines is block coding, and they use an app for that. So Legos in the classroom. This section, we're going to go over how the emerging technology is coming into the classrooms with the Legos. Lego has created a lesson plan for each of the levels and for each of their kits. It has made it easier for teachers to follow and has 21st century skills integrated into the lessons. The booklets that are prepared have photos and diagrams for the students and teachers to follow. The Lego education kits have created new opportunities for students inside the classroom. Students are given a real-world problem and create something out of Legos that they believe will help solve that problem. The kits come with bricks, instructions to do multiple builds, and for advanced kits, they come with codable/programmable motors. They allow students to create and collaborate in groups to do things they never thought would be possible. Outside the classroom, Lego has created so many different opportunities. They have actually partnered with a company called FIRST, and FIRST is a robotics company that was built for high schoolers to compete in robotics competitions, and they have actually started what is called FIRST Lego. FIRST Lego League is a robotic program built all around Legos. There are Lego Leagues everywhere. FIRST Lego Leagues provides information to start a Lego League in your area. So if you have never heard of Lego League or you are more interested in Lego League, you can go to first.com and you can find all the information to start your own Lego League in your school, your classroom, your community centers. I believe it's a super cool program. FIRST Lego League has opportunities for students to show their work that they worked on all year. For the younger group, there is Lego League Junior, and they're given a real-world problem, and in groups, they are to come up with a build and a solution. They have to present a poster board of their trials before they got their final builds and everything working together. Lego League Junior doesn't have the codable part of it, so they're just using Legos to build a model of what they think would help solve the real-world problem that they were given. So here are a couple pictures of FIRST Lego League. In this area, FIRST Lego League, this is a codable robot, and this is a missions map, so they have to program the robot to complete the missions on the map. Down here in this area, we have Lego League Junior, where the kids have created a model to the real-world problem, and their model has solved that problem. This is another example of Lego League Junior. Here's a closer-up picture of what the motor looks like and what the build looks like. This is another robot that has completed a mission by pushing this little circle into the black circle outline. How the robots move. The students are using a small motor that is Bluetooth enabled and code their robot to move in certain directions and do certain movements. There are two different ways to code or program the motors: block coding and script coding using Python scripts. Block coding is a very simplified version of coding. The programs use pre-made commands, and the students can simply place and then click to test. The WeDo 2.0 is the primary level uses the block coding, and they have an app downloadable iOS and Android. Script coding is strictly computer-based and needs practice. The block coding is something that helps students understand the basics and helps work up to scripting. Scripting is literally writing a script of commands for the robots to follow, and you can be more precise with script coding as well. So here we have a screenshot of what the program looks like. This is block coding, where they have their start button, and then they have the commands and how many times it repeats those same commands. So here we have what is script coding, and right here in this corner, the students would write out which way they want the robot to move, and then in parentheses they would put how many times they want it to remove. So why does this all matter? Codable Legos give students opportunity to work in groups and use their collaboration skills. It gives students the opportunity to present and gain confidence in front of others. It also encourages students to explore solutions to real-world problems and give them responsibility over their learning. Starting students with FIRST Lego League can get them interested in robotics and continue in the FIRST program throughout their years, reaching the high school level competitions. The big concept is Legos can inspire our next generation of engineers and scientists and mathematicians. Codable Legos can get students interested in the bigger picture of the STEAM fields, and I think that it's a really cool opportunity. So we're continuing the learning at home. Coding at home. They have two toys that have brought coding into kids' homes and reinvented the meaning of play. They have the Lego Boost and the Lego Droid Commander set. Lego Boost Kit has the ability to build 5 different robots, but only comes with enough pieces to build one robot at a time. This kit also comes with one codable Boost motor. The Lego Boost has an app that allows for block coding and allows for many different activities for all the robots. The buildable robots are Vernie the robot, Frankie the cat, a guitar, an MT4 rover, and an assembly line. The Lego Boost motor also will connect with 2 other Lego kits, a Ninjago kit and the Polar City kit. So here are the 5 different Lego Boost robots, the 2 extra robots, and this is a video of what the kids can look at and follow the instructions, and it gives them instructions on how to build the robot. The Lego Droid Commander set, and it comes with 3 different robot builds and enough pieces to have all 3 robots. And these are my references. Thanks for watching.